Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Guru. In this I'm going to show you whether the Realme GT Neo 2 has got any kind of green tint issue problem or not. Yes, when this is my day one of using the Realme GT Neo 2 and plenty of users they are actually asking me this kind of same question. Is there any green tint issue in this Realme GT Neo 2 or not? The main reason is because the phone has got the E4 type of AMOLED panel which is exactly present in the Mi 11X device mobile phones as well. Even the Mi 11X has got the E4 type of panel, but the Mi 11X has got green tint issue and black color crush issue. But in this video I'm trying to talk about only the green tint problem. Let's see whether the green tint problem can be found in this device or not. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So to check the green tint issue, there are certain conditions only. I'll try to explain you how you can actually check the green tint issue. So first thing is that you need to go to the display options and you need to enable the dark mode, which I did enable, and you need to start decreasing the brightness and turn off the lights in the room completely and try to open certain applications where you can actually see the green tint problem. I'll try to demonstrate you same scenario in this video. Right now, as you can see, this is the same phone which I'm trying to use, Realme GT Neo 2. I'm trying to go to the about phone and showing you the settings option as well, because in the dark environment it's really confusing to find which phone is what phone. So same Realme GT Neo 2 only I'm trying to use, not any other phone. Let's go to the Google Chrome option, and this is a Google Chrome application. And previously I never had any kind of issues with the green tint problem with other phones, but the moment they mentioned that the Realme has got E4 type of panel, only then I'm really worried. So right now let's see the green tint problem, is it kind of visible or not? In little bit kind of brightness only it's kind of visible. We'll be able to find out in some brightness levels. In some brightness levels we'll be able to see whether there is any kind of green tint issue or not. Don't think any kind of green tint issue is visible at this moment. No, I don't think so, friends, in this Google Chrome application. And I cannot guarantee for all the users as well, because only green tint issue will be present in few of the smartphones, not in all the phones, only in the few phones, few units only. But right now in my unit I cannot see any kind of green tint issue. So this is a side-by-side comparison with other smartphone which has got a green tint problem and which doesn't have the green tint, which is the Realme GT Neo 2. You can clearly see. So this is the iQOO 7 device which I'm trying to use, and my unit has got a green tint problem, and you'll be able to see the green tint slightly on the top, but in the Realme GT Neo 2 I cannot see any kind of green tint issue going on at this moment. That's kind of a good thing to know, because I know this kind of thing before itself, because the Realme phones till now I did not see any kind of green tint problems only in the Realme phones. Hopefully they should be like this even for the next couple of launching events as well. Let me check again. No, I cannot find. This is a YouTube application where you will be able to find a little bit, but let's see what is happening in the decreasing brightness. Any kind of green tint? I don't think so. No, I cannot see any kind of green tint issue causing any kind of issues on the top. So nothing at all. As you can clearly see, friends, what is happening. So I don't think any kind of green tint issue is present in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries on the Realme GT Neo 2, let me know in the comment section below, and definitely I'll ready to do plenty of testings as well within this 1 or 2 days of time, so you can actually decide whether to buy this phone or not. Meanwhile, if you have any other doubts, so try to search in the YouTube search bar like Realme GT Neo 2 topic name, what topic you are looking after. So maybe camera, or maybe speed test, or maybe battery charging, something like that. Try to type my name, you'll get all my videos which I'm uploaded as well. Thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.